Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jello. In today's lesson, we will learn how to sketch the graph of cube root functions. This is actually part 2 of our previous video. So let's get started. So sa previous video, nag-solve tayo ng dalawang examples. So let's have another examples. Okay, so number 4, the given function is f of x equals 2 times the cube root of x plus 1 minus 2. So recall that our general form is written in this form, no? Ayan. So this is our general form. And if we're going to identify the vertex, so we have the HK. So dito class, yung value ng ating h, so dito is positive 1. So take the opposite sign. So kung plus 1 yan, i-negate lang natin yan. So magiging negative 1, no? Likewise, dito, yung ating k value, okay, so that is negative 2 naman dito, right? So just copy the sign or indicate whatever the sign. So that is negative 2. Kung positive 2 yon or plus 2 as a given, so as is, copy positive 2. So therefore, ang ating vertex is negative 1, comma negative 2. So take note, ito yung magiging vertex, yung turning point ng ating graph, no? Kung saan nagbago. Okay? Nagbago yung ating graph. And then, sabi ko nga sa previous video, so since wala naman tayong restriction dito, so ang ating domain tsaka yung range ay all real numbers. As we extend the values for x, so meron tayong unique value for our range. So therefore, yung ating domain is x is an element of all real numbers. So in symbol, we can write in this form. And as for the range, ganun din, y is an element of all real numbers. So, ibig sabihin, so, wala tayong restrictions dito. And then, syempre, gagawa muna tayo ng table of values. And then, we already determined the value or the vertex, no, which is negative 1, negative 2. So, kumbaga, ito nasa gitna natin. So, negative 1, and then negative 2. So, class dito, sa ating vertex, ayan, yung x value is negative 1. To solve for another value ng ating x, no? Okay. So, less than negative 1 and greater than negative 1. So, sabi ko nga sa previous video, we will be using the perfect cubes, no? So, ano ba yung mga yon? Diba we have 1 cube that is equal to 1 times 1 times 1. So that gives us 1 pa rin, right? Okay, so if we have 2 cube, so therefore 2 times 2 times 2, right? So dito 2 times 2 times 2, so we have 8, right? So 3 cube, so that is 3 times 3 times 3. So, we have 27. Ayan. So, ito yung mga perfect cubes natin, no? Or pag kinuha natin yung cube root, ito yung magiging sagot. No? So, we have 1. Ayan. 8, 27. So, kumbaga, kabaliktaran lang yan. Okay? And then, dito, gagamit tayo or magsasolve muna tayo yung value ng x natin. So, we have, kukunin natin nasa loob, no? So, we have x plus 1, right? So, x plus 1. So, gamitin natin yung negative 8. Okay, so saan natin ako yung negative 8, diba? Perfect, ano yun? Cube, no? Okay. So, kasi 2 times 2 equals 4 times 2 equals 8. And since that is negative, so negative yon. Okay, so, combining like terms, negative 8 and then positive 1, it will become minus 1. So, x now equals negative 9. Nakuha? So, ito ay negative 9. Next, so we have x plus 1 equals, let's use negative 1, right? Okay. So, copy negative 1. And then, positive 1 ilipat natin. It will become negative 1. So, negative 1 minus 1, that gives us negative 2. Okay? So, negative 2. Yung ating value ng x dito. Yung gagamitin natin, no? Okay. So, we have, syempre, pwede natin gamitin yung 0, right? Okay, kasi magiging, ano yun, since nasa loob naman, 0 plus 1 equals 1. So, perfect na siya, right? Okay. Perfect cube. So, 0 yan. No? I-prove natin. So, bakit naging 0? So, x plus 1. And then, diba we have 1, right? Okay. So, 1 minus 1. So, equals 0. Kaya meron tayong 0 doon. Okay? So, we have another. So, we have x plus 1 equals, diba we have 8? Okay. By combining like terms, so it will become 7. Right? Okay. So, yung mga x values natin. Naintindihan? Okay. So, let me erase this part. So, now, isosolve na natin yung ating value for y, no? Yung ating f of x, kung tawagin. Okay, magpapakita lang tayo ng isang solution. Okay, so, we have the formula y equals, so we have 2 times the cube root of x plus 1 and then minus 2. Right? Okay. So, class dito, ipa-plug in lang natin yan. Yung mga values ng x in place of the variable x. So, 1 at a time. So, isa lang. Okay. And then, your first x becomes negative 9. Okay, so ito yung class. Gets? Okay, plus 1 minus 2. Simplify natin inside the radical symbol. And then, negative 9 plus 1, that is negative 8, right? The nice thing about cube root ay we can take the cube root of a negative number. Okay? Since negative 8 is a perfect cube yan, no? Yung cube, makukuha natin yung perfect cube root niyan. So, and that is negative 2. Right? Okay. Kasi negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 times negative 2, negative 8. So, 2 times negative 2, negative 4 minus 2. So, your y value is equal to negative 6. Okay? And then, if we're going to continue, so we have negative 4, ayan. And then, we have 0, and then we have 2. Okay, naintindihan? So, after natin ma-solve yan, yung ating table of values, the next thing to do is ipa-plot na natin sa ating Cartesian plane. Okay. So, i-plot natin to. Let me use another color. So, we have negative 9, negative 6. So, yung x natin is negative 9. Ito yon. Ito naman yung y natin, negative 6. So, kunin natin yung intersection. So, class, nandito siya. Ayan. So, negative 9, negative 6. So, next we have negative 2, negative 4. Your x is negative 2, your y is negative 4. Okay. Next, negative 1, negative 2. Ito yung ating vertex dyan, no? Negative 1, negative 2. Ayan. And then we have 0, 0. Ayan, madadaanan niya to, class, yung origin. And then, we have 7, 2. Your x is 7. Your y is 2. Okay. So, class, kung makikita natin later yan, ipapaliwanag natin. Yung graph natin is, nag-start tayo from bottom left going to top right. Okay, so bakit nga ba ganun? So, later, kapag na-trace ko na, ipapaliwanag ko. Okay, so after plotting those points, connect now the dots or the points, no? Ayan. Diba, sabi ko nga sa previous video, ang ating graph ay S-shape, right? Mukhang S, right? Okay. So, this is the graph of f of x equals 2 times the cube root of x plus 1 minus 2. Okay, so, class, kung mapapansin natin, ito ay started from bottom left. Ito yung bottom left going to top right. Okay, bakit kaya naging ganito? Kasi yung A natin is positive. Naintindihan? Likewise, kung negative yan, so, yung graph natin ay pabaliktad naman. Okay, from top left, no? Top left going to bottom right. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. So, now, let's answer number 5. Okay. So, the given function is f of x equals negative 2 times the cube root of x minus 1 plus 2. So, class, as we compare, ginamit ko rin yung ating problem. Pero, iniba ko lang yung inside the radical symbol and yung ating k. So, tignan natin kung saan ba patungo yung graph na to. Okay, sige. So, yung vertex natin dito. So, without solving, ito ay very good. Yan. So, we have positive 1, comma, positive 2. Yan. And then, sabi ko, as for the domain and range, so no restrictions. Sulat na natin yan. So, x is an element of all real numbers. Okay. And then, yung range natin, ganun din. Y is an element of all real numbers. Okay, so sa number 5, solve natin yung table of values. By the way, isulat muna natin yung ating vertex, which is 1, 2. It should be placed at the center, no? Sa gitna. So, 1, 2. So, meron tayong value ng x dyan at ng y. So, kunin natin yung numbers na i-evaluate natin later for the value of x na less than 1 and greater than 1. Okay, so katulad ng ginawa natin dito kanina sa ating previous example, number 4, mag-solve tayo. Halimbawa, okay, x, okay, nasa gitna natin, nasa, ito yon, kukunin natin yan, x minus 1 equals negative 8. So, bakit ko pinili yung negative 8? Kasi nga yung perfect cube, no? Yan. Kasi negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, that gives us negative 8. So, magkakaparehas yung tatlong numbers. Na kapag minultiply sa sarili, is negative 8 ang lalabas. So, that is cube root and perfect cube, no? Okay. So, combining like terms, so we have negative 8 and then positive 1. So, x now equals negative 7. Right? Okay. And then, we have, syempre, we have negative 1. Tama? So, x minus 1 equals negative 1. Ini-equate natin sa mga, ano natin, perfect cubes, no? So, yung negative 1, ilipat ko magiging positive 1. Okay? So, that is equal to 0. Siyempre, nasolve na natin yung gitna. Ayan. So, we have x minus 1 equals positive 1. Right? Okay. And then plus 1. So, x now equals 2. So, by the way, let me write muna rito. 0. And then, so we have 2. Right? Okay. And then last, so we have x minus 1 equals positive 8 naman. So, 8. And then, plus 1, right? Okay. 8 plus 1 equals 9. So, 9 na ang isusulat natin dito. Gets? Okay, so let me erase this part. So, magpapakita lang tayo ng isang solution to solve for y value. Okay, so we have y is equal to negative 2 times the cube root of x minus 1 plus 2. Okay. And then, yung first x natin is negative 7. Plug in lang natin yan, class. So, negative 7 minus 1 plus 2. Just simplify inside the radical symbol. And that is negative 8. Negative 7 minus 1, that is negative 8 plus 2. Class, kung mapapansin natin, inside the radical symbol, perfect cube na yan, right? Okay. So, sorry. So, evaluate natin yan. It will become negative 2. Okay. So, plus 2. Negative 2 times negative 2, that gives us positive 4 plus 2. Okay, so we have 6. So, 6 to class. And then, nasolve na natin yan. So, we have 4, 2, 0, and negative 2. Okay. And the next thing to do ay paplat na natin yan sa ating Cartesian plane. Okay, so we have negative 7, positive 6. So, negative 7, positive 6. So, class, nandito yan. Okay, nandito yung ating graph. Let me use another color. So, negative 7, positive 6. And then, we have 0, 4, right? Okay. So, 0, 4. Your x is 0. Your y is 4. So, class, along the positive y-axis, nandito siya. And then, we have 1, 2. That is our vertex or the turning point. 1, 2. Your x is 1. Your y is 2. Na kung saan, nagbago na yung graph natin, no? Okay. And then, we have 2, 0. Right? Okay. So, 2, 0. Your x is 2. Your y 0. Nandito siya, class. And then, we have 9, negative 2. Your x is 9. Your y is negative 2. So, class, eto siya. Ayan. And then, i-connect na natin yung mga points to form a graph. Okay, syempre, mag-start tayo dito sa taas. Sabi ko nga, di ba, ito ay S-shape, right? Okay. Pag in-extend natin yan, ayan, papunta ron. Okay? So, ito yung graph ng ating function f of x equals negative 2 times the cube root of x minus 1 plus 2. So, bakit naging ganito yung graph natin? Kasi, kung mapapansin natin, yung a natin is negative. Right? So, ibig sabihin, we started from top left going to bottom right. Okay? Naintindihan ba, class? So, ganun lang kasimple. And sa number 6, this serves as your assignment. Okay? So, this is the end of our video. I hope na meron kayo natutunan. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.